If you are planning to take your cat outdoors safely, a harness is a great way to ensure they can explore while staying secure. However, putting on a cat harness can be a bit tricky if your feline friend is not used to it. Here's a step-by-step guide to putting on a cat harness. Make sure you have a harness that fits your cat properly. It should be snug, but not too tight. Allow your cat to sniff the harness before putting it on, helping them get familiar with its scent and texture. If your cat appears anxious, use treats or praise to create a positive association with the harness. This will make the experience less stressful for them. Be patient and let them adjust at their own pace. Lay the harness on the ground and allow your cat to explore it at their own pace, helping them become more comfortable with it. Adjust the straps so they fit your cat properly. Most harnesses have a neck loop and a chest loop. Ensure the neck loop is wide enough to go over your cat's head comfortably, but not too loose. Start by holding your cat in your lap or placing them on a stable surface. Gently place the neck loop of the harness over your cat's head, then slip one of their legs into the chest loop, followed by the other leg. Tighten the straps gently to make sure the harness is secure, but not too tight. There should be enough space to fit 2 fingers between the harness and your cat's body. Fasten the buckles or close the Velcro to keep the harness in place. Double check that everything is secure before allowing your cat to move around. Once the harness is on, give your cat time to adjust. Let them walk around indoors to get used to the feeling. The cat harness and leash for walking is the perfect solution for safely and comfortably taking your cat outdoors, making outdoor activities with your cat more enjoyable for both of you. Rabbit Goo Cat Harness and Leash is designed to fit average cats comfortably. It has adjustable straps for the neck, so be sure to measure your cat before ordering. This harness is made from breathable air mesh, making it soft, lightweight and perfect for daily walks, jogs, and outdoor activities. Its escape-proof design includes 4 adjustable straps and safety buckles to ensure a secure fit. The vest-style harness evenly distributes pressure to prevent choking, and reflective strips help keep your cat visible in the dark. It's easy to put on with snap side buckles and fully adjustable straps, making it hassle-free for you and your cat. With the right approach, you can help your cat get comfortable wearing a harness, making outdoor adventures more enjoyable for both of you.